Okay, for our next tangle pattern, we're going to learn Daggerly. 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 Zoom in just a little bit. Focus. All right, to begin, you start off with a vertical line dividing your square down the center, and then a horizontal line across the center. They're not that straight. It doesn't matter. It's fine. I'm going to then do the same thing diagonally. Make sure, if you can, that the line goes through the center, and diagonally the other way. So this is how we begin Daggerly. Next, I'm going to create a series of concentric circles. That means they all have the same center point, kind of radiating out from the center. It's going to look like a target or a bullseye. I'm going to use these grid squares as kind of a guide. So where the vertical line and the horizontal line hit the grid squares, each row, I'm going to make a new circle. So I'm going to start off with a circle about the size of those center 4 squares. I'm going to go up a grid square. Add another circle. You'll notice my circles are not perfect. It's okay. Like that, and continue my circles, and there we go. I'm going to add a little center circle and fill it in black to start, and then I'm going to do address one triangle at a time. So I'm going to start with this triangle, and then once you learn the pattern and sequence of what to do in this triangle, you repeat the same thing in all the rest of the triangles. So what we're going to do is I'm going to look at each section as a sort of curved rectangle. See how this is it's a rectangle, but it's a little bit curved. And I'm going to divide each rectangle in half with a curved line going from top left to bottom right, like that, and like a Christmas tree. And then I'm going to fill in the bottom left section. Like so. Okay, so once you've completed that, you have the sequence for what to do with each triangular section. The advantage to working small is you can just rotate, and using the same angle, you can repeat that same step. And just keep going. So as I turn this page around, I'm just going to keep filling in the bottom left corner of each section. Sometimes I like to color as I go. So you're going to go all the way around, and when you're done, it should look like this. You should have the dark triangles always going in the same direction as you move around the circle, and that's Daggerly.